Up next, we have Niftmint.
NFTs are more than just monkey pictures and punks. They're actually the baseline technology of how we'll all consume digital products in the future. Hi, my name is Jonathan G. Blanco, and I'm the founder and CEO of Niftmint. And we're going to be talking about how NFTs on Deutsche Telekom and T-Mobile devices. So what is an NFT? Most of you already know that, of course, but we're talking about digital assets, tokenization on a blockchain, immutable, that has token IDs and metadata, et cetera. Well, what does that actually mean? Let's actually break that down for everybody. What we're really talking about is digital wrappers for digital products. So when we say a digital product, we're talking about things like JPEGs, PNGs, WAV files, movie files. And when we say a wrapper, we're talking about code, programmable content. So now you're talking about immutable, verifiable things, but most importantly, that's gonna unlock marketing behavior, loyalty behavior, and revenue. So these digital products are programmable content files, and we're living in this digital world every day that becomes more and more filled with digital products. And these digital products are going to be consumed where? Most likely on our mobile devices. So one question you all need to ask yourself is, will Deutsche Telekom and T-Mobile offer more digital products in the future than they do today? I think the answer is clearly yes. So if we think that they're going to offer more digital products, then those, and we agree, or at least I'm hoping that you agree that NFTs are digital products. What you should know by now in this conversation that we've quickly had is digital products should be NFTs. And so when Deutsche Telekom and T-Mobile decide to offer NFTs, who's going to handle the crypto and who's going to handle the wallets? There's some complexity there. A lot of folks are basically telling companies to introduce cryptocurrency to their user, have them download their own wallets, have them handle a lot of that heavy infrastructure. Well, we take a lot of that complexity away. And so with Niftmint, we allow you to be able to mint, offer custody NFTs without forcing crypto on the user. We are essentially allow you to be a partner innovator with your brands, but also with your customers, and doing things like introducing brand awareness, making sure that you're getting that first party data. So while everybody was telling you to focus on the crypto, I'm telling you to focus on your existing customer base. And NFTs are not just for crypto users, they're actually for that mass consumer. So let's focus on that DT customer first, and let's introduce NFTs on T-Mobile Tuesdays. Feel free to scan that QR code if you want to. So here we're seeing the T-Mobile Tuesdays app, and just like the T-Mobile Tuesday app, you get different promotions. We're introducing the T-Mobile Digital Loyalty. Now, again, because we're an API-centric company, this is something that you're going to be able to set up in the admin dashboard, and we'll show that in just a second. So we went ahead and minted this NFT already, and it's already on the blockchain. And so as a result of minting that NFT, now we're introduced to new experiences like claim your T-Mobile or your T-Challenge Bonn NFT. We're also minting this one. And by the way, again, if you scan that QR code, you can actually claim these NFTs right now, or you can scan one of our t-shirts. So we introduced them to it via the messaging, and we have this transaction on the blockchain. For demo purposes, we did this on Polygon, but this can be done on any blockchain. We are EVM compatible, and we're also blockchain agnostic. And now you're going to see how we go ahead and mint this on the actual, if you are a T-Mobile admin, the ability that you have to go through that. So we can set the description, we can set the time, and again, if you go through the app, you're going to go ahead and be able to claim this NFT right here and there. So we claim this, and now when you go ahead and see it, it's put together there. These are NFTs that if you came by our booth, you would have seen already, and now we have it on the app. And there you go. So NFTs, like I said, unlock marketing behavior and loyalty for revenue behavior. So things like new activations, brand partnerships, et cetera. But most importantly, what I want you to understand is because we're an API-centric company, you can use this across your business units. That means it can be used in wholesale, it can be used in the stores, wherever you want it to be. And our infrastructure ties into infrastructure. We don't want you to change what you're doing. We think that you know your business better than anybody, and so do your partners. So we embed and we integrate with them, so that way you can offer this to your partners and your customers. Our team is amazing. We've been building Web3 technology since 2017, and we've been focused on crypto since that time as well. And let's make sure that you serve your customer, you advance the business, and we focus on innovation. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Jonathan. And there are questions already.
I have a question. Thank you. So you gave us some examples of how this could apply to NFTs within T-Mobile Tuesdays, and you've also said that you guys have been around for a little while. What other use cases are you guys supporting for other customers that you're working with today that are sort of live in the marketplace?
Yeah, so like I said, because we're API-centric, our target customer base are platforms and organizations. So think of e-commerce platforms like BigCommerce. We have an integration with them that allows them to be able to offer NFT, their partners being the brands, so they can easily issue NFTs, which, by the way, our APIs work in a way where T-Mobile can do the same thing. We showed you very much a product-centric approach, but if T-Mobile wants to essentially be the place where your partners create their own NFTs, you can do that via our APIs.
Cool, thank you.
Any other questions?
So with the crypto winter, the NFT market seems to have gone cold as well lately. So actually this question I could ask to the other startups as well, but since you're here, Jonathan, where do you see the opportunities for NFTs in the future? And is it still a strong market?
So that's an excellent question, and I think that question is based off of how we were introduced to NFTs. We were introduced to NFTs with these crazy avatars that went up in price, the price of houses, basically. That is all but the tiniest use case for how NFTs should be used. It's no different than a collectible trading of Pokemon cards. There's value there, and it should be there. But the real value, and what I'm trying to show you here, is that every single digital product that gets created from now into the future should be an NFT, because now you're creating a programmable content file behind it, which means you have more data opportunities, there's more value behind it, it can live in your network or out of your network. So you're really it's the evolution of content and the evolution of digital products.
Jonathan, thank you so much,
Thank you
and
so much,
good luck to your team.
Go ahead and feel free to scan these later. We're all walking around, and you get your NFT and claim it and transfer it to your wallet if you want to, or keep it in your T-Mobile.